Hi everyone, here we've got Honor Play 7 and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find the system. Let's tap on it, and here we've got the backup option. So let's enter. As you can see, now this option is off. In order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see, the account option is active, so now we can freely add a backup account. So let's tap on it. Make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own, just tap here and go through all these steps and sign in, or simply type your email or phone if you have one. So let me do this. Okay, tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay. Now let's tap on next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, if you want to read it, just tap on the one you want to check. And here we've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got some backup and storage info. This is the shortcut, so let's tap on accept. And now your device is telling you what the backup includes, so it will back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, including Wi-Fi, passwords and permissions, and text messages. So if you are ready, tap on OK. Okay. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device, and from now on, all the content will be stored on your Google Drive. So that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Honor Play 7. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.